What if a Saturn and Mai Tai came together? To find out the secret, stick around.
What is it?
The Untold Secret, ancient mystery from Australia. No one knows exactly what it is. Elixir of immortality, fatal poison. Too dangerous to know for sure.
It's kind of like a Saturn had a baby with a Mai Tai.
How? Often when I'm looking up recipes to make at home, a metric that I like to use in my decision making is, well, how would I react if I saw this on a bar menu? What ingredients would pique my interest and force me to immediately order? That's absolutely what caught my eye about this week's recipe, the Untold Secret. This is an original cocktail from fellow social media cocktail enthusiast, Paul Broadby, or as he's known on Instagram, the Aussie Bartender. A breakdown of this recipe almost looks like a Saturn and a Mai Tai came together, as it uses the citrus, Falernum, and Orgeat of a Saturn, but also a blend of two rums like a Mai Tai would. It also bears a resemblance to the Barbados rum cocktail I created for the amateur bartender competition 3 years ago. No wonder I like it. Where Paul really takes us in a fun direction though is the addition of bitters and spices, using cocoa bitters which pairs smoothly with the Orgeat and Falernum, and tiki bitters to boost up the OFTD flavor, as well as grated nutmeg to add some aromatic spice personality. But before we go any further, please take a minute to give us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Alright, let's try to reveal this secret, starting with a ½ ounce of lime juice, a ½ ounce of Orgeat, we're using Liquid Alchemist, a 1/3 ounce of Falernum, we're using John D. Taylor, a ½ ounce of Planteray's OFTD, 1½ ounces of an aged rum, we're going to use Mount Gay Black Barrel in this case, a dash of cocoa bitters, and finally a dash of Elemekule tiki bitters. Alright, let's pour this into our shaker, add ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, also just sounds cool. We're going to serve this in a chilled brandy snifter. Fill it with some crushed ice. Now, just strain it in. Kind of looks like a Saturn. We're going to garnish this with some grated nutmeg on top. And finally, a mint sprig. Let's slap it to wake it up a bit. Stick a straw in. And there it is, the Untold Secret. Let's see what the secret holds. Minty. Yeah, as mentioned before, the sweetness, the creaminess really comes together with the cocoa bitters, Falernum, and Orgeat. It also makes it a very smooth cocktail, and yet the tiki bitters help keep the two rums in play flavor-wise. It's a refreshing drink, not too dark, not too bright. I could see this being a staple on any bar menu. Give this one a shot at home and let us know what you think about it in the comments below. And hey, check out more of Paul's recipes at the Aussie Bartender on Instagram. Until next time, cheers. The Aussie Bartender. Is that what he is? The Aussie Bartender. Okay, thank God.
The British bartender.
The British beer lover. Pub guy. All right. All right. All right. Let's